want to take a moment today to just appreciate nature, its beauty, its peace that it brings. I want you guys to just take in this beautiful sight. Listen to the sounds of the wind, the cars driving by on the street, or the sounds of the birds chirping. This is how you can practice being mindful. All I want you to do is quiet your mind right now. Focus on the leaves blowing in the wind. Clear out your head of any thoughts no longer serving you besides the present moment. What are your thoughts? Try to just focus on this beautiful tree. It's okay if your mind wanders. It's loud. But recognize that it did and return it back to this space. Back to this beautiful tree, back to the sound of the car just drove by. And when you're ready, I want you to take 3 deep breaths in through the nose, into the lungs, into the body and soul. And when you're ready, I want you to let it go. Let it go, let it flow, let it go of any tension, any worries, anything that's no longer serving. And just focus on the sound. Try not to be worried about if things aren't perfect. It doesn't matter. And when you're ready, let's continue onward. Beautiful blue skies, beautiful green trees here in springtime in California. Healing the heart chakra. Brown represents grounding the earth and a path forward. Will you continue with me on this path going forward? Are you ready to go on with your life? If so, then continue watching this video. Notice the fire hydrants on the left or the right. Have you guys ever seen red fire hydrants? I have once, but they always seem yellow, so they should start painting yellow. So back to this exercise here today, this video. Back to that car. Let's continue onward. And just focus on the leaves and the green, the brown, the sound of the rustling in the wind. If you can taste and smell what I smell here. Yeah. Peace, calm, tranquility, surrender, serene. No worries. Pink flowers. Hold on, you guys. I'm going to have to continue this video in the second part. Sorry about that, everybody. Somebody's basketball rolled down my way, so I had to pick it up and return it to them because they're a kid. So back to this beautiful green here. Let's just take a moment in here again and see how beautiful this green is. So fresh, so alive, renewal. So pretty this color. Green anyways. And the brown with the leaves and the pink flowers. And the sounds of the cars driving by, and the wind, the birds chirping, and the wind chimes. Be thankful. This is beautiful. And now we continue on our path forward again. Going to wherever it is our destination. That's up to you to decide. You can always stay standing still But life has to pass you by. And you can just take the time to admire the beauty here. The green, the trees. To admire this beautiful plastic bag right here. From BJ's. They deliver, you guys. It's a good restaurant. See this beautiful plastic bag here. It's my shadow, the reflection of my shadow. I feel like that guy right now from the movie American Beauty. Who's filled in a plastic bag. Because everything really is so beautiful. Sometimes it hurts, right? Watch the bag just flies in the wind, all that. But these are all precious moments we don't get back. I'll be back for you, bag. It wants to go, guys, but anyways, continue onward. Just taking in the sounds. All I want you to do for this video is quiet your mind and focus on the beautiful green, the sound of my shoes clickety-clack, the sidewalk, and the concrete. Taking in the nature here with the wind, these red flower things, and the brown dirt, pink flowers. Being mindful. And when a thought does come along that has nothing to do with this video, don't judge it. Don't reject it. Don't even let the sound of the car driving by get you distracted, but simply recognize the thought for what it is and then let it go. If you were to take 5 minutes a day, at least 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, you could be a champion, and practice just being aware of the present moment, clearing your mind of any thoughts that don't longer serve, and just being in tune to the sights, the smells, the sounds at that moment in time, then you mastered being mindful. Here we got another little plastic bag. It's, I think, doggy doo-doo. Which is kind of gross, guys. The light, the sun, taking the vitamin D, what do they call it, vitamin C, the happiness. Let it. And when you're ready, continue onward. Taking in the sights and the sounds at this present moment. Now, why, you ask, I may even do this video here. One, because I want to teach people what mindfulness is about, the practice of being mindful, and for myself as well. 2, because I think this is a beautiful park area, beautiful neighborhood, and I just wanted to film and share it. And 3, that's what I'm here for. I'm a spiritual teacher, a life coach, relationship advisor. Now, I have a question, everybody. How come always the single ones have to be relationship advisors? That doesn't make sense. How about we change that as no longer single, like single was as yesterday, so I can be that master, I'm just kidding, that advisor, you know, in relationships, right? Have to be able to do that myself. Because I wanted to switch it up. I wanted to do something new, step out of my comfort zone, get in touch with myself. I just wanted to thank everybody again on my YouTube channel, whether you're subscribed or just happened to just land on one of my videos here, or that you watch this stuff, or that something, this sort of stuff, the spirituality aspect, it fascinates you in some aspect. I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support, for everybody who's come to me and required a consultation or a reading, for those that just opened up their hearts and their lives to me. for those who just look forward to my channel and trust in the messages and the guidance that I'm giving, and knowing that it is not from my own doing but from the higher source God. I mean, it's a lot to me. I don't care about being popular, so I could say the smaller the number the better, but to be able to make a difference in the world and make a big impact, that's definitely something I strive for. And like I said, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this channel, putting out these videos, as it's for you. My gift here is to help you guys, to bring more love and light into the world. And so again, I'm just asking everybody to let me know in the comments below is what you guys are interested in, what kind of topics you would like to see, pick a card readings, how I can better improve this channel. And if you guys feel intuitively guided to do so, I would like to manifest this new deck for the whole channel, and I don't really mind paying for them. The problem is this deck's like, with tax, I mean not taxes, I was gonna say taxes because tax season, with shipping and handling, it's about, I'm looking at $75, and that's quite a lot for a deck, but the deck is so amazing. So honestly, if I was a little bit more secure in my finances, like made more than what I do now, which I'm open to that too, I would totally buy it. But if anyone wants to help out and contribute to that, it's more than appreciated. And in doing so, I will give away a mini love reading as I say appreciation of thanks, as well as you will be always thanked for on the channel, and you can donate a little or as much as you want. And the love deck that I want to manifest for this channel is the one that's actually made by the person who they designed itself. It is, if I'm saying it correctly, the pink French stamp love oracle collection. The newer one, I believe it has 15 more cards, but all the information as well as the link for the deck that I'm manifesting is in the description box below, and it'd be much appreciative. Anyways guys, I'm going to end this video now, so I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. It's my favorite day of the week. May spring bring a wind of change, a change of wind to your life, and that love finds you at last. Until next time guys, bye.